Hi, my name is Sarah Poche Madsen, and the website that I set up is called Blue Eyed Bloggers. So, a little backstory about probably end of 2008, maybe beginning of 2009, I started a blog. It's mainly just a journal for family and friends. I had a daughter in 2008, and I took pictures of her, but not as many as my other kids before. And so I started this blog to kind of help to do better at taking pictures. And it worked really good for about 5 years. I did it really not daily, but 2 or 3 times a week. And then about 3 years ago, I just stopped. So my kids love to go through it. They like to go back and look. So I thought I would try to start doing it again. And so far, I put in a post for each person, but I have not done it very good so far. But so on the main page, it just has a slider here that you can go. It has, I think, the five most current posts that are on there, and then down here you can go to everyone's category. So these are all my kids, and you can also get to those by going up to this tab up here and clicking on. So everything actually goes into the blog category, every post. But then if you wanted to see a specific person, then you could click on that and it would take you there. I haven't gone back, so I imported all of my I used to do it through Blogspot, so I imported all of my old posts into there, but I have not, and I don't know if I will go back, but I haven't gone and categorized any of those posts to add them into these categories. So I'm not sure if I will ever do that. We'll see. That would take a lot. I have over 1,000 posts on my blog. And so other than that, it's just the basic setup. There's a contact page. I added the store just for this class, so I'm going to take that off. And it looks kind of weird. I did like babysitting, where if my kids babysat, you could pay through here, but honestly, I didn't really set it up, and it kind of seems weird that I even have that in there. So anyway, I'm going to take that down right as soon as the class is over. The one thing that I learned the most is just to follow the tutorials. I really enjoyed the tutorials. Some of them, I actually took this class before because it's a repeatable class, and things have changed a little bit. So the older video, I mean, when I took it last time, the videos kind of synced up exactly right. These I kind of had to go back and think, how do you do that? And kind of look around. And one thing that I need to figure out that I was the most difficult that I still haven't figured out is it seems like these pictures kind of stretch when they're on the main page. So I still need, that one didn't do too bad, but I mean, more like that one did too. So I need to go. I've kind of played around with it, but I couldn't really figure it out yet. So anyway, thank you. Bye.